Hi, and welcome to Georgetown Manor PA. We offer spacious and high-quality apartment homes in South Williamsport, Pennsylvania. Today I'll be taking you on a virtual tour of an apartment at 480 East 5th Avenue. This is the shared entrance that is accessible from the front of the building or the back parking lot. Entering the front door of this first-floor home, we come into a spacious living room with a separate dining room area outside of the kitchen. All of the carpeting in this apartment is brand new. You also have a fresh, modern light fixture to brighten up your dining room. Let's head into the Galley Kitchen. The appliances you see here are all included with the apartment. Nice new electric range on your left and also a dishwasher towards the back. Moving down the hall, the first door on your right is the laundry room with washer and dryer that are included with the apartment home. Next up, this upgraded bathroom has a full-size tub and shower and modern vanity with recessed mirrored medicine cabinet. New luxury vinyl flooring and a linen closet behind the door complete this bathroom's amenities. Now let's check out the main bedroom, which is roughly 165 square feet with all new carpet. As you can see, the 4 windows in this room let in a lot of natural light. But the best feature of the room is the 25 square foot spacious walk-in closet. Lastly, we have the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. This room is about 115 square feet and also has a nice sized closet. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.